Hey folks, welcome to Russell Cooks at Home. Today we're going to be doing a beautiful fried chicken dinner. Come on. Now, first things first. The chicken. Thoroughly wash your chicken. You can use any type of chicken that you prefer. Some people like quarter chicken legs. Some people like the thighs. Some people like just the drums. I like to use the quarter chicken legs and then cut them up into drums and thighs. And that is how you cut the chicken. Just find the joint, cut down to the bone with your knife, give the spine of your knife a whack, being very careful, keeping your fingers away, set it to the side. Find the joint, cut through the skin, knife spine whacking, set it to the side. Alright, there's my chicken. All done up, ready to go. Isn't that beautiful chicken? Now, also, what I like to do is I like to egg wash my chicken. This here is just 2 eggs beaten with water added. Get my cutting board and knife out of the way. This is flour in a nice large pan. You want the large pan because you want to be able to manipulate the chicken inside the flour so that it coats it liberally. My spices consisting of 2 tablespoons of coarse salt, 2 tablespoons of pepper, 2 tablespoons of garlic powder, some Montreal chicken spice, and some crushed chilies. The chilies, if you don't like hot food, then you don't have to put the chilies in it. I'm going to add this to my breading, or my flour mix. Mix it around. Now also what I like to do, give you 1 second while I rinse my hands. Is to add a little bit of smoked paprika. Reason being, gives a nice nutty flavor to the chicken and a little bit of heat. And also a very nice color. So some smoked paprika into the flour. And I take a fork, because a fork almost acts exactly like a sifter. You don't want to mix the paprika in completely, but you want it to evenly coat on the chicken. So spread it around, and away we go. Now, another plate for my finished product. Now, I like to use what's called the one-hand method, meaning one hand gets wet, the other hand goes into the dredge. Reason for that is you're not going to get all kinds of clumpy big sausage fingers with the dredge sticking to your fingers. So, into the mix, into the flour, opposite hand, does all the mixing, all the coating. Shake off the excess, over onto your plate. Wet hand, egg mix, flour. Make sure it all gets coated. Put that over there. Whoa, did you see that? Almost touched the chicken with the wrong hand. This is going to be so good. Oh, there. I just went and ruined the method. See? It's the brain of a line cook. Get it done as fast as possible. Don't worry about the giant sausage fingers. Flour. I don't know if you can hear that or not, but my oil on the other side is snapping and crackling, saying, "Give me that chicken." Hope the sound quality on this is good. I have to apologize for the quality in general. As of now, I don't actually have my computer yet, so I don't have any kind of editing capabilities. My wife's laptop is pretty much at the extent of its memory use, so I can't even download a free piece of software to edit my videos, but it is coming. And there we go. There's the last piece of chicken. Egg wash, you can just throw out because it has chicken in it. Move this over here. Put this in the sink. Give it a quick wipe, because it's always easier to wipe now than after when you have a big cleanup to do. If you keep your counter nice and clean as you go, one less thing you have to do. Alright. Time to check the oil. You're going to want to set your oil temp right around 250 to 300 degrees. That's what I like mine at. Maybe sometimes even a little hotter. If you want to come over here and check it out, I have it sitting on the stove because I have a vent. Now the way to check your oil is to take one of your drums. We'll bring it over here. And that's perfect. Always try and place away from you when you're working with hot oil. Now you're going to want to cook this for approximately 45 minutes to a half an hour. So, we will be back. Okay folks, time to check it. Take the lid off. Oh wow, look at that. That's just beautiful. The old thermometer. We want it to be around 170 degrees. That ensures that it's cooked through thoroughly. Find a good spot to put your thermometer. Make sure it gets into the meat. Nowhere near a bone. And it is over 170 degrees, which is perfect. Take that out. That out. Oh, I can't wait. This all looks so yummy. Crispy. Cooked through and through. This is going to be so good. Now, when you're using an electric frying pan, always be sure to turn the power off, then unplug it from your fryer. Don't leave this piece sitting up against anything that it can burn, because right now it is quite hot. So make sure you put that in a safe location. And you can take your hot oil and put that in a safe spot to cool. And this is the finished product. Nice country fried chicken. Join us again soon for the next video. If you'd like to leave some suggestions of what you want to see cooked, then feel free to do so. Please smash that like button and subscribe on your way out. Thank you very much.